So this is the International Clown Festival. My name is Flubber and I'm from India. And we've got the clowns from all over the world coming here together to celebrate the Clown Festival. This is our 10th anniversary and we have clowns from 10 countries who have come here. We're going to visit 10 different cities in India and perform over 100 shows. So what's the Clown Festival? So we clowns really want to have a family show with everybody where children, parents and grandparents enjoy the show. We have comedy, clowning, juggling, acrobats, music, dances, a whole lot of things that we have in the show where people really want to celebrate happiness and laughter with the family together. So we have theater shows, we're visiting hospitals. We went to the GMC hospital yesterday and spent 1 hour with the children. There we have shows for other underprivileged children and children who have handicaps. We invite them for the show. So it's just, I want to reach out to every corner of the city, everybody, so that they really have a very happy time.
So you said this is the 10th anniversary.
That's
so
right.
This is the 10th festival or this is the first festival? And
10th anniversary of the festival. So we have began way back in 2010.
Okay.
And over the years we've had festival again and again, and this time it's going to be a really big festival in Goa.
That's
14 years ago in 2010, and I'm come back after 14 years. In between few years we did not have the festival, but in 2010 I performed in the Kala Academy at the amphitheater.
That's
And
nice.
back again now the 10th anniversary, I said I must come back to Goa.
So you said you have visited hospitals and orphanages.
Yeah.
So how was the experience over there? Well, you are spreading happiness
It's amazing. See, the children really eyes bright up when they see us clowns, eyes bright. But more than the kids, the parents were so thrilled and happy. And when the kids saw their mommy and daddy smiling, the kids automatically, they forgot about their pain. We were spending time with the children. We were not shouting and jumping about. We were just going and talking to them, showing a little magic, playing some music. And the kids had drips on their hand and they were just looking at us. But when they saw their parents smiling, the kids started opening up. And then they want to they said, click a picture, We clicked the pictures. I had seen a 1-year-old baby, eyes light up and just look at us. I mean, it's a different experience. I wish we can have somebody going to the hospital almost every week, because the sisters were very happy. The doctor was smiling because suddenly the whole ward lit up and the whole ward became happy. I mean, it is something that we need to do with the children. They're going through a lot of pain, and not just the kids, but the parents too are going through a lot of pain. Parents are putting up a brave front. I always say on my show to the parents, I always tell the parents, please play with the
parents, the parenting part of it.
That's right. I also say that we play. We are not practicing, we are not working, we are playing. So when you play, the whole mind changes that you're having fun. And then you become better at what you're playing. So children, go practice chess, go practice football, go play football, go play this, go play that. Then your mind changes up. And then when parents and children are together.
Nowadays, the contemporary art also has been formed. So just give me a brief about the clown. Anything if you can say.
We have a lot of discussions on the clown. All of us are really discovering. But for me, clowning is when you reach out to make somebody happy. A lot of people ask me, what's the difference between a joker and a clown? A joker tries to make you laugh. A clown makes you happy. You have to reach for the heart. When you play and you make people happy, see the art, you say, okay, chalta hai, I don't care. Then nobody will respect you and like you. So for us, it takes us 1 hour to get ready. And to talk to you, it takes us 1 hour. But there is a time and effort to look the best. And people can see that if I respect me, I'm looking good, then I will also respect the people coming to enjoy the show.
So tell me something about because there's a red nose, there's a hat and everything. So I got now that Joker and clown is a different thing. I knew just now. That's why.
So first thing is there is a character to our clowning. So I am a character. I have an August character. That's the name we call. There are different types of clowns. She loves acrobats. She's a horse rider. She's a aerialist. So we bring different talents together and we specialize in it. I can't juggle as well as these guys do, but I do a little magic. So everybody can choose what they want in the whole universe of skills. And once you choose certain thing, you become the best at it. I can talk very well. I can talk to 5,000 people and I'm a powerful speaker. But others may not be able to talk. Others are good in their mime, in their performance. Others are good in juggling. Some of our clowns can juggle 7 and 8 balls. Oh, I would not be able to do it. So you have to find what you're good at, and then it becomes a character and personality, and you grow to become the best.
That's right. So how many states you said you are performing?
We're performing in 10 cities. We have 100 shows.
Okay, 10
We began in September, we'll end in December, right throughout our festival season of India.